Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can auto scroll on your Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and to use auto scroll feature, we need to activate voice access feature. To activate the voice access feature, we can go to the settings, and then we're going to go to the accessibility setting. It's right here, and then go to the interaction and text reading. And here guys, you will be able to activate your voice access feature, and we're going to use this feature to auto scroll our screen on our Android mobile phone. Select the voice access, and then you can activate the voice access right here. Okay, and before you activate the voice access, you will be able to read the description right here. Okay, and I'm just going to click on allow. And now as you can see guys that the voice access has been activated. And then you can give a command to your phone to do something without using your hand. You can go hands-free because you can give command to your phone. And I'm going to try it. You can click on tap to start first to start the voice access or to start the command. Okay, open Instagram, scroll down, scroll down, scroll up, scroll down, go home, open Instagram, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and then go home. Okay, and I'm just going to pause it. If you want to start or you want to pause, you just need to go to your notification panel, and then you can tap to start or tap to pause. Okay guys, and that's all the way to auto scroll our screen on Android mobile phone, especially on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.